Today's topic is rules are for everyone. This is the video of part 1. We follow traffic rules so that traffic moves smoothly. That is so important to follow the rule. In the same way, there are rules of a social life that tells us what each person should be doing. So rules follow karna is most important. Rules need to be made, specify each person's duty and responsibility. If we follow the rule, we become so responsible. If we follow the rules, our day-to-day life becomes disciplined. We can work more efficiently. So being and following the rule is the most important thing in our life. Rules are meant for everybody. सबके लिए rules होते हैं. They are apply equally to all. No one is above the rules. Everyone have to follow the rules, and rule is important to follow. Disobeying the rule leads to a punishment. Disobeying means अगर हम rules follow नहीं करेंगे, rules obey नहीं करेंगे, तो of course we will lead to a punishment. There is no discrimination. Discrimination मतलब कोई भेदभाव नहीं होता in punishment for breaking the rules. If you have break the rules, you have to get the punishments. In this way, equality is the basis of the rules. So if you are a man or a woman, it doesn't matter. But if you have break the rules, you have to face the punishment. Change in rules for the society. I will treat school property with the care. I will raise my hand before I speak or stand. Our society work according to certain rules. We make the rules ourselves. We follow this rule because they are meant for the common goods. Proper changes are also introduced in the rules made for a society. So there is a difference between rules of society and the law of nature. So what is law of nature? Law of nature matlab ki rising and setting of the sun. This is naturally occurring process. Even the law of gravity does not change. The rising and the falling of the tides, the phases of the moon, all of these things occur according to the law of nature. Nature's laws are constant and fixed. They do not ever become outdated. Human law need to be changed with the changing condition. जैसे कि the law follow in India under the rule of British वो अलग था, and when India gained independence, the situation changed and the law of civic life changed. Example, after independence, the voting age was 21 years and after 1989, the voting age was lowered to 18 years so that everyone get a equal rights. Even a boy and girls or a man and a woman are equal. They must be get the same opportunities for their development. Equality is the main motive और ये हमें स्कूल में भी सिखाया जाता है. In this image, the teacher saying people of every age need a nourishing food. But the child, the female child saying, don't girl need as nourishing a diet as is given to boy at home? They feel only my brothers need good food. But that's not good, right? We should treat a boy and a girl equally, even at home, at a working place and in an education field. It is incorrect to discriminate between boys and girls. Discriminate matlab bhedbhav karna, that is incorrect. It is an injustice to deprive the girls of a good food or to prevent them from going to school. Such injustice can also be seen with respect to other section of society. Society likes between rich and poor people. Like in this image, the poor person is saying, I have returned all your money. How can I still be in a debit? The reason is he is poor. And the rich person never makes a good decision between the poor ones just because of their greediness. Even in this picture, we can see a woman saying, even though I work without a single holiday in a month, why do you pay me so little? It is incorrect. If someone is working hard, we should appreciate their work. We should give the good opportunities. We should not discriminate, right? So in society there is such things happening. So that's why rule have to be made to ensure that no injustice is done. A list of rules. Number 1. Prohibition against loudspeaker in a public place after 10 o'clock at night. Point 2. Free primary education for boys and girls. Point 3. Prohibition against dumping garbage in the river. Point 4. Protection against domestic violence for a woman. Point 5. Ban on a child labor. Point 6. Ban on felling trees, hunting and poaching. So these are the list of rules need to be followed strictly. So here we have done with the part 1 of chapter Rules for Everyone. For part 2, stay tuned, and for that just like my video, share it and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.